It has been quite a while since we've done a dedicated Xbox update video. So we figured what better time to do one than right now as we're heading into a new month. And we all know a new month means new games coming to Game Pass. First up, we have Warhammer 40k Bolt Gun. Bolt Gun offers a delightful blend of retro first-person shooter charm with the rich, dark, sci-fi universe of Warhammer 40k, making it a dream come true for fans of both genres. As a Space Marine Stone Guard, players get to dive into a world filled with intense action, engaging combat, and a variety of weapons tailored for every battle scenario. The game's design pays tribute to classics like Duke Nukem 3D and Doom, while incorporating the unique aesthetics and lore of the Warhammer 40k universe. Gameplay is enhanced by the presence of a witty Servo Skull companion, providing humorous commentary, adding a layer of entertainment to the exploration and combat. The campaign, spanning across 3 chapters, numerous levels, is filled with exhilarating moments and challenging enemies, encouraging players to master the art of run and gun combat. Now, Bolt Gun excels in creating intense combat scenarios, especially during Purge mode, where players must utilize their agility and firepower to survive against overwhelming hordes of enemies. The variety and balance of enemies require tactical thinking and quick reflexes, making each encounter a thrilling experience. Standout levels and boss fights provide memorable highlights, showcasing the game's creative level design and its ability to deliver epic battles within the Warhammer 40k setting. Now, overall, Warhammer 40k Bolt Gun is a celebration of the best aspects of retro shooters and the Warhammer 40k universe, offering a satisfying and action-packed experience for fans and newcomers alike. Next up, we have Lightyear Frontier, which introduces a novel concept of the gaming world, combining the peaceful allure of farming simulations with the dynamic excitement of mech-based gameplay. Now set to launch on Xbox Series X and S, Windows PC, and with Game Pass on March 19, the game offers players the chance to become exo-farmers on an alien planet, either solo or with up to 3 friends online. Developed by Framebreak, this game stands out by allowing players to use their mechs for agricultural tasks in a violence-free setting, diverging from the traditional combat roles which mechs are known for. Now, players start their new journey with a basic mech tasked with transforming a mysterious new world into a thriving homestead. The gameplay involves resource gathering such as wood and rocks, and using unique tools like a chainsaw and a seed-shooting machine gun to cultivate the land and promote a sustainable environment. This innovative approach to farming includes harvesting alien plants for materials, upgrading the mech, and customizing its appearance, all while maintaining the enhancements. The game aims to capture the satisfaction of piloting a mech for everyday activities, reimagining these machines in a peaceful agricultural context. Now, the exploration aspect is significant, with the game encouraging players to venture beyond their farms to discover the planet's secrets, making the mech an extension of the player's exploration and farming efforts. Lightyear Frontier's development focused on creating an accessible yet deep control scheme catering to both mech game enthusiasts and newcomers as well. The result is a unique gaming experience that marries the tranquility of farming sims with the thrill of piloting a mech, offering a new take on both genres. To engage the community and offer a taste of this unique fusion, Framebreak has released a free single-player demo, inviting players to step into the world of Lightyear Frontier ahead of its early access debut. So if you want to check it out even earlier, make sure you jump onto that. In what some are calling the most anticipated arrival on Game Pass in quite some time, we finally have the very first Activision Blizzard title to make its way onto Game Pass, which will be on the 28th of March, and it is, of course, Diablo 4. Diablo 4 emerges as a triumphant celebration of the series, masterfully blending the familiar thrill of its predecessors with a fresh coat of refinement. It stands out not for reinventing the action RPG genre, but for perfecting it with judicious enhancements and thoughtful features that enrich the classic Diablo experience. The game's combat is exhilarating. Visually and audibly, Diablo 4 is a masterpiece, boasting cinematic cutscenes, meticulously crafted environments, and an evocative soundtrack that together create an immersive world teeming with demonic adversaries. Now, this game excelled in delivering an engaging and satisfying gameplay loop. The thrill of battle combined with the strategic depth of character customization and the allure of loot hunting ensures that every moment in the game feels rewarding. The integration of online elements and a vibrant community further enhances the experience, fostering a sense of camaraderie and competition that enriches the overall gameplay. Diablo 4 is a polished gem in the ARPG genre, capturing the essence of what makes the series beloved while pushing the boundaries of quality and enjoyment. With its compelling endgame, vibrant community features, and unwavering dedication to player satisfaction, Diablo 4 sets a new standard for what an action RPG can be, offering an endlessly enjoyable adventure that both honors its roots and looks confidently towards the future. As always, the Game Pass catalog continues to grow, and we will no doubt see more titles added to the list of what is to come this month. Let us know what you've been playing on Game Pass in the comments below, and tell us what you hope to see drop on Game Pass in the future.